Hello. Well, I'm on a roll with pumpkin, just like I did with blueberries. And today I'm going to make pumpkin bread with butterscotch chips. So let's get started on Darlene's table. First, I'm going to go in with, this is the flour. So we got baking soda and kosher salt, cinnamon, ginger and cloves, and fresh nutmeg. I'm just going to give this a little mix. These are the dry ingredients. I'm going to set this aside. So, 1 can, I've got white sugar and brown sugar. 1 can of 100% pumpkin. Make sure you don't use pumpkin pie filling. This is 100% pumpkin. So we're going to use a whole can. And then 2 tablespoons of milk. That's all it is, 2 tablespoons of whole milk. 1/2 cup of canola oil or vegetable oil, either one will work. And 2 eggs. So I'm going to give this a little mix. Please remember to like and subscribe. And now, in with the dry ingredients, the flour and seasonings, I'm going to mix this on low, just a little bit. Mix this on low. Now I'm going to use the and then I'm going to whisk it a little. Whisk it some. Now, I'm going to fold in 1/2 cup of butterscotch chips and 1/4 cup of unsalted roasted pumpkin seeds. I think this is going to be so good. I love just about everything pumpkin. Here we go. I've got a buttered loaf pan here. Okay. Around evenly. And then we're going to do the old shaky shaky and thumpa thumpa. Okay. Now into the oven for 60 minutes, 1 hour. Go. That looks so good. I can't wait to cut it. Well, we got to wait till it's completely cool. So I'll see you in a bit. Pumpkin bread with butterscotch chips. This bread is a fusion of autumn flavors and comforting sweetness. This moist pumpkin bread strikes a balance between the earthy fall spices and the rich, creamy sweetness of the chips. Now, if you aren't a fan of butterscotch, you could try other chips like chocolate, peanut butter, or caramel bits. But I tell you, this bread is so good by itself without the help of chips even. Oh, and one other ingredient I should mention are the pumpkin seeds. They added a crunch to the soft cake-like texture of the bread. I think I would miss them if you took them out. So pumpkin bread Whether enjoyed with a cup of steaming coffee, a dollop of whipped cream, or simply on its own, this quick bread is a delightful reminder of the joys of fall. And by now, you know you can find this recipe on my website, DarlenesTable.com. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next video. And come back to see me soon, right here on Darlene's Table.